Black Friday and Cyber Monday are right around the corner, and if you're worried about how you're going to create promotional content for your business, you've come to the right place. Black Friday and Cyber Monday are huge days for businesses, and you want to make sure you're boosting sales by posting amazing promotional content. Thankfully, CapCut Commerce Pro makes creating shoppable content easier than ever with their video generator. Today, I'll walk you through how to make amazing promos for your business and turn viewers into customers. The best part? It only takes a few clicks. Seriously. Make sure you head to commercepro.capcut.com to check out the Black Friday and Cyber Monday video generator, as well as a ton of other useful tools. You can get a free trial of CapCut Commerce Pro right now with your standard CapCut account, so there really is no excuse not to try it out. And if you're not subscribed to CapCut's YouTube channel, go ahead and do that right now. We post a ton of tutorials and product updates, and I don't want you to miss a thing. Okay, open up your browser and let me show you around. To start putting your sales promo together, head into the Black Friday menu. There, you'll see CapCut Commerce Pro's video generator. Here you can paste your business or product's URL from Shopify, TikTok Shop, or Amazon. When you press the generate button, Commerce Pro will automatically fill in your product information. I've got the original price versus the promo price here, as well as when the promotion is taking place. If there are any specific promotions that I want to include in my content, I can add that here. Let's go into the Others tab and add a couple of these promotions here. Scrolling down, you can choose whether your promotion is for Black Friday, Cyber Monday, or both. You can also specify the kind of content you're trying to create, whether that's a promo teaser, a live stream teaser, or even a sales poster for an e-commerce audience. If you want to further customize your promo content, click on the Customize button. From there, you can review your product details and add features as well as your target audience. Let's go ahead and click Next, and we'll be able to add media. I highly recommend using what you already have. CapCut Commerce Pro's video generator is a great way to reuse images and videos you've already shot in a fresh new way. Don't forget to confirm the main image for your video. I usually go with the most standard, basic product image for this one. To change your main image, simply scroll over the image that you'd like to choose, head into the menu in the upper right-hand corner, and select Set as Main Image. I like the Auto Enhance feature here as well. Commerce Pro will automatically detect images with a white background, such as your product images, and generate new enhanced backgrounds. It's just a good way to easily spice up your content. When you move that slider, you'll see all of the images with white backgrounds generate new, interesting settings for your product. So cool. Finally, it's time to finish customizing the details of your video. How long do you want your promo to be? You can select the duration here. You'll also see 8 video script options. When you click View All or click on one of the scripts, you'll be able to read them in full and adjust as needed. If you're unhappy with any of these, you can always regenerate new scripts with ease. Once you're happy with your scripts, you can choose an avatar for your content. If you're unsure, choose the Smart Match option and Commerce Pro will pick for you. If you're not feeling the avatar at all, you can always select none. And the same goes for voiceover. You can let CapCut Commerce Pro pick for you or choose from a variety of voices. The AI capabilities here are second to none. Being able to select an avatar and a voice so easily will save you so much time in the content creation process. And with that, you have everything you need for perfect Black Friday and Cyber Monday promo content. You can see here that I've got multiple shoppable videos to choose from, as well as a selection of sales posters. If I'm unhappy with any of these, I can regenerate new options. I can also make any additional edits I'd like to these by pressing the Quick Edit button below each option. Within the Quick Edit menu, I can change the script if I'm not feeling it anymore. All I have to do is press this pencil button and type in whatever I'd like to add. I can also change the caption style if the one that CapCut Commerce Pro generated doesn't match my brand's look and feel. Not happy with your avatar or your voiceover? You can swap those out here as well. Head into the Avatar tab to select a new spokesperson for your video. The voiceover can be swapped in the Voice tab. Finally, you can replace and edit any of your video's media. I can replace the asset from my computer or the assets folder here. I can also crop the clip or trim it. If I click into my video's assets within the player, I can also move my avatar and text around. I can change the size by dragging the corners of my assets too. What I love about this player is that you can also preview your content on TikTok by pressing the TikTok icon. Now I can make sure that nothing will be blocked by these buttons on the side or by my name and caption at the bottom. If you press the Edit More button here at the top, CapCut Commerce Pro will open its video editor in a new tab. Here you can get a lot more specific with the changes you'd like to make. So for example, let's say you'd like to swap out the song in your video. I'm gonna tap on the song within my timeline and then press the backspace key. From there, I'll head into the audio menu on the left and select my new song. Thankfully, there's also a sales subcategory here with specific music to choose from for my promotional content. I'm just gonna drag the one that speaks to me most down to my timeline and then trim the end so that my song ends when my footage does. Within this editor, you can also add elements like transitions, stickers, filters, and more. You can add more text too from the text menu. Check out these Black Friday templates. CapCut Commerce Pro really makes creating shoppable content so easy. Once you're happy with your creation, go ahead and export by pressing the export button here on the top right-hand side. You'll be able to download your content to your device or publish directly to your social media platforms. Now you're ready to create engaging, sales-boosting content for Black Friday and Cyber Monday. Can you believe how easy it is on CapCut Commerce Pro? We're saving major time and money here. Check out the Black Friday video generator for yourself and let us know what you think. What kind of promotions are you running for the holidays? How are you utilizing CapCut Commerce Pro to create content? We want to hear from you. And let us know if there are any other CapCut Commerce Pro features you're curious about. We will teach you everything you need to know. And with that, I will catch you in the next tutorial. Bye.